All right, we are with Kid Nation here doing a little bit of fishing. And we have a little visitor here. I believe that's a loon. And here's the boys. Here's Phoenix. And then here's Trevor with Kid Nation, your host. You catching any fish there, Kid Nation?
No.
This is a pond by our local library. And we usually catch some brim out of here, some bluegill and stuff. Some bass from time to time. Alright folks, Kid Nation, signing off. Alright, we haven't caught anything yet. Kind of a slow day today, but we're gonna hang in here a little bit longer. Alright folks, we've changed spots. We got a little bit of wildlife right here. There's a bird over there, so it looks like an egret.
Yeah, do you want me to try again? Or do you want me to stay in this spot?
We haven't caught any fish yet, but we'll be back. Alright, no fish yet. Our main fishing spot's down there, but there's some people in it right now. So we're trying a different spot. Hey Kid Nation, what do you want to say to your fans? What do you want to say to your fans?
Hey. So hey guys, back.
Thanks. What about thanks for the support? Thanks for the support.
Yeah.
Thanks for subscribing.
No, say.
Drop you some likes. And tell your friends about your channel.
What?
You gotta promote it, son.
There's a turtle!
Where? Oh, yeah.
I think that was Donnie.
It might have been.
Donnie. Yeah, I had a turtle named Donnie.
I see a turtle head out there. I'll see if I can get it on video.
That was Donnie. What if you come from? Thanks for the support. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to press that little blue bell. It'll send you all notifications to when we make new videos. Thanks for the support, guys.
All right.